And here's the weird leg that I'm gonna have support the one side and the other side will sit up underneath the island. What do you guys think of this? This is also Canadian black walnut. I don't even know what to call this. I just had spare pieces of wood lying around and I put it together, different weird angles. Did a little spacer there at a walnut. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Is this something that you like? Is this something that I should burn? Should I put it in my house? What do you think?